Hi, I'm David Golding. I've been buying and selling modern and classic cars since 1988. Here we have a 2019 Citroen C3. It's the 1.2 Origins model, 1200cc, one owner from new, only 14,000 miles. It's in as new condition throughout. Quirky little car, plenty of space and nice to drive. Come on, I'll show you around. This car is in as new condition throughout. Wearing its original Michelin tyres on the nice alloy wheels. These useful rubbing strips all round, including on the doors, to protect the bodywork. The paintwork is unmarked. Really quirky front on it. Moving into the interior, there's a large boot, full-size spare wheel, complete toolkit. Very clean inside. Here's the back. Factory mats. Clean headlining. Moving into the front, also as new here. Door card, we can see the book pack here. Seats are spotless. Driver's seat. There's 4 electric windows. Comes with both keys. Steering wheel with controls for the Bluetooth and the stereo. Lane warning system button, retractable mirrors, cruise control. Just about to hit 14,000 miles. Sat nav on the large screen, and the contents of the book pack. Let's go for a little spin. Very light controls in this car. Light steering, light pedals. Accelerates briskly. Very well equipped. Has the sat nav. Safety wise, it has the lane warning system. Remote for the stereo here on the stalk. Good visibility all round. The air conditioning is ice cold. Nice sounds off the stereo. All in all, a really nice car. Great value. Price of this 2019 Citroen C3 is €14,950. Comes with a balanced manufacturer's warranty till October 22. Check out my 5-star rating on TRUSTPILOT. If you wish to purchase this car, please contact me now. Viewings are by appointment only. If you are concerned about travelling to view, we can offer free delivery nationwide to your door.